we're going to do a bit of a reverse from our ascending slide. We're going to slide back down this time, so descending slides. Now, pretty much the same technique, but we can start to look at how you put them together. Now, we'll just use that same open A minor scale for this, up in that second octave. So we've got, an ascending slide, which we looked at went up. Now, going backwards, very much the same thing. Pick, slide back. Pick, slide back. So it's working on a descending scale. Now, the thing I love here is where you slide back. So I'd use my first finger on this one, and I'm going to bounce back to the note that I was on. So, all right. So it's a great little technique. So it gives you a really beautiful descending run. So what we're going to do is move it up the fretboard a bit. Now, I'm going to start up here on the 8th fret, and we're going to slide back just 1 fret for this one. Okay. All right, now we're going to slide back 2 frets. Okay, slide back another 2. Back another 2. All right, so it's a nice sliding descending run. So we'll try it again. All right, and once more. Now, if we get that quick, okay, so we're going to go quite a bit faster. And you start to see how that can fit really nicely into a run. So, right. Now, we looked a tiny bit at sliding on the low strings, so let's have a little bit look further at that with some descending runs. So I'm going to move up into a little bit of uncharted territory here, but look, when we're playing, we're going to go into an open E minor, and open E minor is fantastic because you get the full use of the fretboard. And we're looking at a bit of a mix mash of scales here. As I said, really going off the reservation as far as scales. We're finding the notes, we're making them work, seeing what works on the slide. So we're going to work in this little bit here. So, all right, so that's just a O, 3 and 5. So sliding back from here. You can use your first or second finger, whatever it suits, but all right. Then we do also have, if you think about our open E, we've got, all right. Now, there is a nice little option here. Same notes, right? So we can drop right back there, but if I actually move up a little bit further onto that 7th fret, I can get nice cool got quite a cool little vibe to it. Now, when we start to move a little bit further through here, these notes are also in it. So we've got a okay, so that's going from that 7th, sliding back, then sliding back, okay, so you can get some really cool descending ones going as well. Now when you start to gel them together is where it actually starts to work really well. So alright, then we've got our moving back and forth over that area. So we can mix it up a bit. Alright, what I want you to do is just have a practice sliding up and down on a variety of different scales. Have a play around and we'll get into some really in-depth stuff next time. Cheers.